In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect Github from Lovable AI. If you go to Lovable AI, click on your profile icon, then select settings here and navigate to Github. You may have noticed that you can't directly disconnect your account. So what you have to do instead is to open up Github, click on your account icon in the top right, and then navigate to settings. From here, we will scroll down until we see integrations and applications here from the left-hand side. Click on that option, then go into authorize GitHub apps, and you just want to find lovable.dev and revoke the access. It is going to tell us that it will no longer be able to access the GitHub API, and you can just revoke it by clicking on that button. Also here, if you have authorized all apps, then you can unlink Lovable Dev from this section as well. And now it is going to be disconnected from Lovable AI. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.